Whole tandoori chicken on the charcoal grill. Easy outdoor recipe, all from ready-made ingredients. I'll list all the ingredients in YouTube shopping store so you can easily get all these ingredients to make this delicious whole tandoori chicken on the charcoal grill. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make whole tandoori chicken on the charcoal grill. This is whole tandoori chicken, 3.5 pound. I told the butcher to slice it from the center. We'll marinate this chicken. We'll put them on the skewers. We'll put some fresh vegetables with it. We'll grill it on the charcoal grill. This will be the ultimate, fantastic and delicious recipe. Let's get into it. Let's take the whole chicken, add it in our marinade bowl. It's with the skin. We will have some cuts on the chicken. So all the marinade, all the masala gets into the deep cut. So let's start with the leg. Just leave half-inch space in between and have some cuts on it. Easy thing to do. Same on the breast as well. This should be whole half chicken. It's perfect, it's ready. Let's marinate the chicken now. I'll tag all these ingredients in the YouTube shopping store so you can easily pick them. First thing you need, this masala. This is all ready made to go. Tandoori, and you will need some meat tenderizer, some jalapeno, some tomatoes, some lemon, red onion and the garlic. Let's make the wet and dry marinade whole combo in our blender juicer. It's gonna be so easy. We will take 1 pack of the ready made. It goes straight in your blender juicer. Regular table salt, half tablespoon of it. Now we will take the meat tenderizer. Okay, so we will take 1 and 2 tablespoons of the meat tenderizer. Let's take fresh garlic cloves for this. 3.5 pound of the chicken, so at least 6 to 7 fresh cloves of garlic goes in here. Let's take dahi, the yogurt, plain yogurt. It will make the tandoori chicken creamy. Here you go, 1 and 2. 1 cup of the oil in here. I'm using olive oil. You can use canola oil or corn oil, whatever you prefer. And here you go. Let's squeeze 1 whole lemon in here. The king marinade for the tandoori chicken is ready. Let's give it a blend, at least for 1 minute, whole minute. Okay, so the king marinade is finally blended for the tandoori chicken. Add all of it right here. Look at the colors. Let me give you the rough idea what ingredients this box has. Salt, red chili, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, roasted cumin powder, dried garlic, dried ginger, paprika, citric acid. Let me give you another secret. Take red food color. For the tandoori, use it, it makes the dish vibrant. So we'll take half tablespoon of the red color. This is just optional, the color one. Mix it, get into deep cut. That's the easy thing to do. Flip the chicken, make sure you get all the marinade here as well. This is actually spring, but we are getting into summer, so outdoor recipes, charcoal smoked recipes, they are rocking. The chicken, whole chicken, is marinated completely. If you can see, it's all covering the marinade. It's all covered in the marinade. Let it rest on the room temperature at least for 30 minutes. And 30 minutes will prepare our coals as well. We are not putting the chicken on the super hot coals. When the coals are mediumly burnt out, then we will put the chicken on top. While we are waiting for our chicken to get fully marinated, let's cut some vegetables. We will be adding onto the skewers, which will be cooking next to our chicken. Alright, it's been almost 25 minutes. Let's add the chicken onto the skewer. Start from the leg, then we will turn the skewer into the breast. So it comes out like this. Then we turn it again and we will take it out from the top part. You take another one, do it like this, and here you go. This is your half chicken onto the skewer. You put it right on top of the coals. If your wing is hanging, you have to put the wing onto the skewer as well. So let's do that so our wing doesn't get burnt out. And here you go. The cook time for the tandoori chicken on the charcoal grill is 40 minutes. So every 5 minutes you have to rotate so it gets cooked from all the way. Look at this char from now. So this is 40 minutes of rotating. Whole tandoori chicken is completely ready. Here you go. Does it look good? Here you go. Look at this beauties. And the vegetables. Let's add the vegetables in the center. Wow. This smells so fantastic. Call it outdoor recipe. Easy to do. Let's do a taste test. "55 minutes later, after doing all the hard work, here's the moment of truth. This is our whole tandoori chicken. Let's pull it out from the skewers. And whoa, oh my god, this is good. This is good. Wow, it separated itself apart. So I have the leg, whole leg, and I have a whole breast, half side of it. Oh my god, steaming, crunch on top. Oh my goodness. Wow, tandoori leg. Man, the bite. All the way cooked to the bone. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'll put all the ingredients. I will tag it so you can get it all from YouTube store. Easy to do. Enjoy this outdoor delicious recipe, man. This is so good. It's just hot. That's why I'm not touching it all the way. Look at this. Look at the breast. Woo, it's just super hot. Man, look at this, all the way inside. 40 minutes did the work. Nice creamy. Here goes some lemon, roasted onions, tomato. I have no words actually. I'm just enjoying it. Put in an onion shell and half of the tomato. Premium bite.